Well, this isn't exactly an unboxing channel, but I got these lights from Harbor Freight, 10,000 Lumen Braun 4-foot LED lights, and these are just not quite bright enough anymore. They're old, tired fluorescents. And so I looked at putting just the LED bulbs in those fixtures, and these actually ended up costing way less than getting a set of bulbs for those fixtures. So I'm going to get those swapped out today, and hopefully we'll see a major difference. First thing though, let's get them unboxed, and I want to take a look at them. One of the things I want to do, because these are going to get mounted right to the ceiling, I want to eliminate this pull switch and eliminate this cord coming through the side. I want to see if I can go through the bottom of the case. So next I'm going to take this off and see what it looks like inside. So we'll be able to just minor rewire right here and drill a hole right here for the cord to go through there. Easy enough. All this back through. And we can set all this back in here. Like so. Now we need to strip that. Switch comes out. It would be better if these came from the bottom, at least for me, so that way when they go on the ceiling they'd be a permanent mount and could be serviceable from there. I really don't think it's going to matter though, because I don't think these are really serviceable in if one of these tubes goes bad. I mean, I guess I could put a generic strip light inside them, but before I button it back up, just so you get an idea of what the LED strips look like inside there. That's just an LED strip down inside these white tubes. That's how it's getting all the light. Each one of these has an LED strip in it. Always double check. Alright, well, I cut it too short, so we're going to solder these ends back together. Wrap them with heat shrink. And that'll get me a little further down the line. Well, this is much brighter than what I had before. Largely in part because those fluorescents, I believe both of the ballasts were bad in them. And you can see how much the bulbs were all blacked out. But this is also just a nicer color light too. I guess nicer temperature of light. Nice and bright white in here. Make it much nicer to work. Next upgrade on the garage though, or the whole house actually, is a connected alarm system. So I don't know if you've heard about these yet, but they're fairly new to market. And what it is, at least this version is fairly new to market. What it is it's a small panel that you're gonna wire into your existing alarm system. You can monitor your alarm yourself with your cell phone. I'll unbox it and do the install in an upcoming video. So if you're interested, be sure to subscribe and tune in for that one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.